Congratulations on the purchase of your SupaScoota. In this video, we will show you how to assemble your scooter and give you a quick overview. Please note this video applies to the HD, HDV XL, and Sumo. Some features, such as the swivel seat and quick fold seat, are not discussed in this video. Start by assembling your frame and battery. Lift the tiller until it locks into place. Next, line up the pen from your front wheels and insert it into the tiller. Push the pin at the back to fully insert them and lock them into place. Your front wheels should now be securely connected and allow for a full range of motion. Next, you will need to assemble the seat. To do this, line up your seat and the base plate. Ensure the holes line up and that your unrest bar is located at the back of the seat where the backrest is attached. Insert your screws and tighten them using an Allen key. Once this is done, simply place the seat into the frame. Insert your armrests into the seat and tighten them. Insert the battery by pulling the release handle and connecting it. Ensuring all colors line up. Next, check your tire pressure. You can do this at home or at a service station. You want your tires to be inflated to the maximum, which is 40 psi. Always extend your anti-tip wheels for additional stability when traveling on slopes. You can easily put your scooter into freewheel mode. This disconnects the motor from the wheels. To do this, pull the drive collar and turn it left or right, then release it. To reconnect the drive wheels, turn the drive collar until it reconnects with the wheel, and then move the scooter until the collar connects with the drive. You will hear a click. Please note you won't be able to operate the scooter while in freewheel mode. Next, add your basket. You have two lectures to help you achieve the best tiller height. One is located above and the other below the basket bracket. You can adjust the tiller height by undoing the silver latch, extending the tiller, and tightening it again. You can also adjust the till angle using an Allen key. Each SupaScoota has a unique keyed ignition. Simply insert the key and turn it to power your scooter. On your dash, you can see your battery by status, as well as the type of battery connected to your scooter standing for lithium. On your handles, you will find your acceleration lever, forward and reverse switch, corner assist override, bell, and cruise control switch. To set cruise control, simply push the cruise control button while pulling the acceleration lever. To turn it off, simply pull the lever again. You can also manually lock your acceleration lever into place by pulling it and pushing the black switch to the back. Simply pull the lever again to regain full control. Under the ignition, you will find the fast-slow switch. We hope you have enjoyed this video and are now ready to get out and start using your SupaScoota. Thank you for shopping with Mobilize Me.